Welcome back, music enthusiasts. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Today, we're taking you on a journey through the vibrant and exhilarating world of music festivals in the United States. Whether you're a seasoned festival goer or a first-timer, these 3 tips will help you make the most of your experience. So, grab your dancing shoes, and let's dive in. Tip 1. Plan ahead for the ultimate festival experience. Tip number 1. Plan ahead. With so many fantastic music festivals happening across the country, it's essential to choose the one that suits your taste and style. Research the lineup, the location, and the dates to find the perfect fit for you. Tickets for popular festivals often sell out quickly, so mark your calendar and get ready to secure your spot. Once you've secured your tickets, start planning your accommodation. Many festivals offer camping options or nearby hotels, but they tend to fill up fast. Booking early will ensure you have a comfortable place to rest after dancing the night away. Lastly, pack wisely. Prepare for various weather conditions, as festivals can be unpredictable. Sunscreen, hats, and refillable water bottles are must-haves during hot summer festivals, while warm clothing and rain gear are essential for those cooler and rainier events. By planning ahead, you'll be fully prepared for an unforgettable festival experience. Tip 2. Embrace the festival culture and connect with others. Tip number 2. Embrace the festival culture and connect with others. Music festivals are more than just concerts. They're a melting pot of diverse people coming together to celebrate their love for music. Engage with fellow festival goers, make new friends, and share your passion for the artists you all adore. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with people around you. You'll be amazed by the connections you can form with individuals from all walks of life. Share your festival experiences, exchange recommendations, and, who knows, you might even find your new festival buddy. Remember to respect everyone's space and boundaries while having a blast. Festivals are all about positive vibes, so be friendly, open-minded, and spread the love. Embrace the festival spirit, and you'll come home with memories and friendships that last a lifetime. Tip 3. Capture the moments and immerse yourself fully. Tip number 3. Capture the moments and immerse yourself fully. With the breathtaking performances and electrifying atmosphere, music festivals are a treasure trove of unforgettable memories. Don't forget to capture these moments through photos and videos. While it's essential to capture the moments, remember to strike a balance. Avoid spending the entire festival behind your camera. Instead, live in the present and immerse yourself in the music and the crowd's energy. Let the music take you on a journey you'll cherish forever. If you're filming, try to capture the essence of the festival, the crowd's excitement, the artist's passion, and the overall euphoria. A well-crafted video or photo album will allow you to relive the experience and share it with others. So, there you have it, 3 tips to maximize your enjoyment at a music festival in the US. Plan ahead, embrace the festival culture, and capture the moments while fully immersing yourself. Now, it's time for you to pack your bags, get your festival gear ready, and set off on an adventure like no other. Let the music unite us all as we dance our hearts out. Thank you for joining us on this music-filled journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Share this with your friends who love music festivals as much as you do. Until next time, stay groovy and keep the festival spirit alive. See you at the next music festival.